Let's walk from Daeheung Station to Sogang University Station today via the Gyeongui Line Forest Park. These are places worth visiting in this area. Check out see more below. Exit Daeheung Station through exit 4 and head to the intersection in the opposite direction. Turn right at the intersection and you'll find the entrance to Gyeongui Line Forest Park's into Daeheung section. Let's check out the section we'll be walking today at the entrance. The sunlight is hot, but there's plenty of tree shade, making it good for walking. Even on weekday afternoons, there are quite a few people walking or jogging. This time let's walk along the left path.
왜 하더라, 왜
Back to the right path. Traces of a railroad crossing remain. Looks like a train is coming. Be careful as there's a road in the middle of the park. There's also a small pond. A small stream flows to the pond. This is a path that makes you look forward to spring and autumn walks even more. Caution, water stream drop. Another road appears, so be careful, careful. The destination, Sogang University Station, is visible in the distance. It looks like they made the top of Sogang University Station into a plaza. This is Sogang University Station Exit 1. Let's pass Sogang University Station and go to the entrance of the next section of Gyeongui Line Forest Park. Sogang University Station Exit 2. If you come out here, Sinchan Rotary is nearby. Beyond this bridge is the beginning of the Gyeongui Line Forest Park Hwawu Bridge section. The north side on the right is towards Sinchan Rotary. The south side on the left is toward the Han River and Subway Line 6 Gwanghyeongchang Station. This walk ends here.